Artificial intelligence, hidden facts people don't know. Artificial intelligence, often called AI, is one of the most talked about technologies in the modern world. Many people think AI is like robots that can think and act like humans, but the truth is more interesting and sometimes surprising. There are many things about AI that people do not fully understand. One important fact is that AI does not truly think or understand things the way humans do. It may seem smart because it can answer questions or recognize images, but it is actually following patterns it has learned from data. It does not have feelings, opinions, or real awareness. It simply processes information very quickly and gives results based on what it has learned. Another thing people may not know is that AI depends heavily on data. The quality of AI results depends on the quality of the data it is trained on. If the data is incomplete or incorrect, the AI can make mistakes. This means AI is not always reliable, and humans still need to check and guide its work. Many people are also surprised to learn how often they use AI in their daily lives. AI is behind many common tools, such as search engines, voice assistants, and recommendation systems. For example, apps like YouTube and TikTok use AI to suggest videos based on what users like to watch. This makes life more convenient, but it also means AI is constantly learning from our behavior. Another lesser-known fact is that AI cannot be completely independent. It is created, trained, and controlled by humans. Engineers and scientists design the systems and decide how they should work. This means AI reflects human choices, including both good and bad decisions. If not designed carefully, AI systems can show bias or unfair results. AI is also much faster than humans when it comes to processing information. It can analyze large amounts of data in seconds, something that would take humans a very long time. This is why AI is used in important fields like medicine, where it can help doctors detect diseases, and in transportation, where it supports navigation and self-driving technology. However, AI is not perfect and cannot replace humans completely. It lacks creativity, emotions, and true understanding. It cannot make moral decisions or fully understand complex human situations. This is why human supervision is always important when using AI. In conclusion, artificial intelligence is a powerful and useful technology, but it is often misunderstood. It does not think like humans, depends on data, and is created and controlled by people. By learning these lesser-known facts, we can better understand AI and use it wisely in our daily lives.